I'm going to show you a video of a drunk driving arrest. You're going to see the stop, the initial interaction of the officer with the driver, a complete sobriety test, and the arrest. See if you can spot possible issues that could be challenged in court in defense of the driver. Well, I found a bunch of them. Let's watch this video. But before I push the play button, if you like my videos, remember to subscribe, like, and share. If you subscribe, then you know where to go to learn more about the law. Well, here we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it Barney. What I think. Hello. Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, the reason I'm stopping is because you don't have any lights on.
Oh shit, sorry.
Yeah.
That's my bad.
That's alright. Where you coming from tonight?
I was just over at, where was that?
Okay.
Sorry about that.
That's alright. Where you heading?
I was just heading just up the street over to a friend's house.
Where's your friend live?
Right there. Just
Right on the
literally
block?
right up the street.
Okay. Very good.
Sorry.
Is this your vehicle?
This is my vehicle. That's my license.
Is this your current address here on the
Yeah.
way? Alright, who do you have for insurance on the vehicle?
My mom's on insurance. I don't think I have the updated insurance.
Do you have a copy of what the company is or anything like that? That's emissions test. Renewal. Progressive. Perfect.
Yep.
Alright, Ryan, how much you had to drink tonight?
2 drinks.
2 drinks, what were they?
Jack on the rocks.
Jack on the rocks? Alright, man. If you want to roll the window up, stay warm, that's fine. I'll be right back with you, okay? Hello. I'm going to run through fields. Maybe.
Why maybe?
If I can get my PVT out of the pen case. I'm going to step out. We're going to do some field sobriety tests just to make sure you're safe to drive. If you are, I'll get you out of here, okay?
Alright, so, yeah, sorry about that.
That's alright.
I'm just so used to, like, the on.
Yeah. We'll go right over here on the sidewalk, get out of the roadway.
Alright.
So before I do these tests, you alright?
Okay?
Alright, we're going to be in pretty close proximity. Do you mind if I check you, make sure you don't have any weapons, anything on
Yeah, you're
you?
good.
Alright, you can just face that way and then, yep, arms out to the side. Perfect. Thank you. So you just had the 2 jacks on the rocks?
Yeah.
And, were they tall, shorts?
Small one.
Okay. Are you diabetic?
Yeah.
Alright.
Type 1 diabetic.
Type 1? Okay. Take your insulin tonight?
Yeah.
Very good.
Alright. Well.
Yeah, Tuesday night. Alright, man, you can relax. Alright, I'm gonna have you stand right there and then just face me. Very good. Do you wear contacts as well?
No.
Okay.
Not often. So.
If I held my finger about here, would you be able to see it without wearing glasses?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay. Perfect. So I'm going to check your eyes here first. What I want you to do is stand with your feet touching heels, toes. Just like that. Very good. Arms down by your side. Okay. Do you have any recent head injuries? Anything else that affects your vision in any way?
No.
Okay. Very good. So can you see the tip of my finger right here?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to be moving it side to side. What I want you to do is follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head. You understand that?
Yep.
I'm going to hold it all the way out. Just keep looking all the way out at it. Last one here, I'm just going to go real slow. And follow. Alright, you can put your glasses back on.
All right.
Do you have any physical disabilities, any injuries, anything that keeps you from walking, turning, balancing normally?
Nope.
Okay. Next couple tests are going to be physical in nature. We are going to do it on the sidewalk area here. As far as the sidewalk goes, I know it's not perfectly level, but
Yeah.
good enough for what we're going to do. I know there's some ice on the sides here, but yeah, I think as long as you stay, actually, why don't you back up? There's a little bit there, right about there. Step over this way a little bit. There you go. So if you stay on this line right here, you should avoid any ice. What I want you to do right now, imagine that you have a straight line coming out of your left foot. I want you to place your left foot on that line right now. Now I want you to put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe just like I'm doing, and stay just like that, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to explain and demonstrate this test to you, all right? I don't want you to start the test until I tell you to, okay? Once you start the test, I don't want you to end it until you've completed the test, okay? So what you're going to do from this position is you're going to look down at your feet, you're going to count each step out loud, and you're going to take 9 steps down that imaginary line. You're going to keep your arms down by your side, and you're going to touch heel to toe. On that 9th step, you're going to make a series of small, slow steps pivoting back around until you're back on the line. 9 steps back down the line the same way. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Turn just like I'm turning right now, keeping that front foot planted and pivoting around. Then 9 back. 1, 2, 3. I only took 3. You're going to take 9. Okay? So remember, look down at your feet. Count each step out loud. Keep your arms down by your side. Touch heel to toe. Do the turn like I described. Come back 9 the way that you went down the first one. Do you have any questions for me about this test?
No.
Do you understand the test?
Yeah.
All right. Whenever you're ready, then you can begin.
All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, you can relax. All right. Next one we're going to do is called the one-leg stand. Okay, so I'm going to have you face down this way again, just like we were for the first one. Feet touching heels and toes, just like that. Arms down by your side. For right now, you can keep them in your pockets if your hands are cold. I'm okay with that.
Kind of cold.
Yeah. All right. So like I said, this is a one-leg stand test. So what you're going to do is from this position right here, you're going to raise one of your feet, whichever one you choose. Okay. You're going to raise approximately 6 inches off the ground, about that high. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't do anything until I tell you to. All right.
Trying to think what's not far up. Yeah.
Yeah, like a beer can. All right.
Okay.
You're going to look down at the foot that you have raised. You're going to count out loud in the fashion 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. You're going to keep your arms down by your side. You're going to keep both legs straight, no bending at the knees or anything, okay? And whichever foot you have raised, you're going to point your toe so that's parallel with the ground. And I'm going to demonstrate again for you, all right? So I'm going to raise my right foot, so it's going to look like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, so on and so forth till I tell you to stop.
Right.
See, I'm looking down at my foot, counting out loud. My arms are down by my side.
Yeah.
Both my legs are nice and straight, and see how my toe is pointed out and the foot's parallel with the ground.
Yeah.
All right, you understand that?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about that?
No.
Okay, which foot do you intend to raise?
Right side.
All right. And this test is going to be timed. It's going to last approximately 30 seconds.
All right.
All right, whenever you're ready, then you can begin.
All right. 1001.
Point your toe.
1002. 1003.
Point your toe. There you go.
1004. Or 1000, yeah, 1004. 2005. 2006. 2007. 2008. 2009. 2010. 2011. 2012. 2013. 2014. 2014. 15. 2016. 2017. 2018. 2019. 2020.
Okay, you can stop. Alright. Last things that we're going to do here are some verbal tests.
Alright.
What is your highest level of education?
High school.
Okay.
I've not quite completed college yet.
Okay. How far into college are you?
Finished a couple classes, not that far.
Okay.
The basic for culinary.
Okay. You got high school diploma. Alright, are you familiar with the English alphabet A through Z in
Yep.
order? Okay. How about counting? Can you count from 1 to 100 in order and
Yep.
backwards from 100 to 1 in order?
I have a hard time with 100 backwards.
Oh, I'm not going to make you go from 100 all the way back to 1, but can you
Alright.
count backwards in order?
For a good bit, yeah.
Okay. How about months of the year? January through December, you know them?
Pretty good, yeah.
Okay, very good. First one we're going to do is an alphabet test, okay? I
Alright.
want you to start with the letter I and recite the alphabet in order through to the letter U and stop at the letter U. So I through U in order, stop at U. Any questions about that one?
No.
You understand the test?
Yep.
All right, whenever you're ready, you can begin.
Alright. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, W, U.
Okay. Next one's going to be counting, okay? So maybe start at the number 73 and count backwards to the number 57 in order and stop at the number 57. So 73
to 50.
backwards in order to 57, stop at 57. Any questions about that?
Nope.
Understand the test?
Yep.
All right, whenever you're ready.
73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, and it's the 53, right? Right.
57. Here we go. Yeah,
Okay.
you're good. All right, last one is months of the year, all right?
All right.
So I want you to start with the month of April as in April of 2020. Recite
Alright.
the months of the year in order through the month of October as in October of 2020. Okay, so April through October in
Alright.
order. Stop at October. Any questions about that?
Nope.
You understand the test?
Yep.
All right, whenever you're ready.
April, May, June, July, August, September, November, October? No, October. Before November. Sorry about
Okay. All right. Last thing we're going to do here is a PBT, preliminary breath test. Have you ever done one of those? All right. It's real simple. You're going to take a big deep breath in. You're going to see your lips around the tube, and you're going to blow long and steady like you're blowing up a balloon. Okay? all zeros right now.
All right.
So big deep breath in. See the lips around the tube. Blow long and steady. Blow. You got to blow. Harder. 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 The wind is brutal.
It is cold.
All right. Given the test we went through and everything, PVT here, what do you think you're going to be? You think you're going to be above the legal limit of 0.08 or below?
I don't know.
Don't know?
Don't know. So.
Okay. I
I'll
can
be
tell you.
honest.
I can tell you from the test that I conducted, I do believe that you're going to be above the legal limit.
Okay.
Just looking at the PVT right now, it's still going up, and you're at a
Okay.
0.096.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to be placing you under arrest for OWI. Okay.
Okay.
It's your first one, so it's a ticket, and then I can release you to a responsible party if you got one. Okay? All right. I'm going to have you face that way for the back. As far as your car goes, I'll give you parking permission. Okay, there.
Alright. These are in the ignition.
Just there you go.
Phone's also over there, so in the car.
I was gonna say, do you need me to grab anything out of the car for you?
Phone.
Phone. All right. I'll maybe step over in front of my vehicle here. Just gotta take the stuff out of your pockets you got in there.